it's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talking Chalk, VIP. You can also check me out on YouTube and Instagram at Telly's Talking Chalk. If you would like to see my finished pieces, go to tellystalkingchalk.ca. You will also get the business links there as well if you want to purchase anything that you want to make yourself. Today we are just going to do a quick overview of how to make a quick project yourself. You are going to need a transfer. I'm going to use this transfer. It's our snowflake transfer. I forget exactly what the name is. And then we have our snowflake cutouts. Let me just jump into, yeah, so it's really basic. So look up snowflakes, you'll find it. Because that is a current transfer and cutouts. So I'm going to grab this one. I have already cut them because we have used them before. And I'm going to use this one. And then just put that over there for now. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your two pieces and you're just going to fuzz. And then just put it down. You're going to do this about 5 or 6 times. I'm not going to do it that many only because I've already done it a bunch. So I'll only do probably 3. I'm going to put that over there. That's on this one. I'm going to try to match this up as nicely as we can, making sure that it's all in its place. Push it down, make sure there's no bubbles. Oh no, here we go again. Okay, so I'm just gonna lean this up to the light and do it, just so I can see it kind of in the background. Hopefully at that point it'll be better. Okay, I'm gonna keep that all down like that. I'm gonna take the yellow one. Just some yellow paste. It's probably going to be too much, but you'll just pick it back up and put it back in your jar. If you go all in one direction, you won't get it to lift up as much. I know I'm having a little bit of a harder time for it to stick for some reason. But if you keep going in the same direction, it helps. I know for that second I'm going in a different direction. Just gonna grab all this extra off. When you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Almost had a corner there that I almost missed. Little piece right there. Oh, and one up here. Make sure you get all of the ends. I'm just going to peel this up. Oh, no. Missed another corner. There's corners everywhere that I'm missing. Paul, you're not catching me on these. It's okay. It's just, I did that about 3 of them. Hey, Sam, how are you? And then we're just going to peel this off just nicely. If it's really sticky, just pull gently and it will come off anyway. All right, so next I'm going to do the bottom one, and okay, I clearly picked off the wrong one because that one's not going to fit on that one. So we're going to pick this one. Seems like we only have one big one. I'm going to line this up. I might have to pick this one up again too. So just give me a second. Just helps you see when the light's in the back so that you're lining it up as nicely as you can so that it's even and not half off of your surface. I can actually just move this up a little bit. I'm going to do this one in the teal. Did I hide my second squeegee on myself? What did I do with it? Oh. Launched itself. Oh, this was going to be a short live. I know. I'm good. How are you? I probably didn't see it, but again, I'm not looking at it fully. I'm good. What's new? Sorry, I'm just trying to make this a quick demo live, so I'm not really looking at the screen at the moment. So you just go around nicely, evenly. This one's sticking nicer, so that's helpful. No, nothing new here really either. I get it. It's funny, I'm hearing myself in the background. From the iPad. Because I don't have it fully turned down because the captions come on yours. So we're just going to pull this up. And then all you have to do is let it dry and it's good to go. It's a really easy thing to do. If you want to know more about Chalk Couture, hashtag Chalk in the comments. If you would like to know about our Club Couture, which is our subscription box that comes to you monthly, you can put in club in the comments and I will get back to you. A little bit bled in that one corner, but it's not too bad. I'll just stick this down here. Let's do it like this. And there you go. That's the 2 that we did. I hope you'd like that little tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know. If you would like to know more, again, all the hashtags are in there. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. So I will see you tomorrow, Wednesday, at 7 o'clock. Bye, guys.